Now you might be wondering, nasaan na nga ba ako? Well, dito pa lang sa 7-Eleven. At ngayon, paalis na kami ng tropa ko. Ay, yan nga pala si Angelito. At siya ang aking kapartner ngayon.
Bombastic side eye, criminal offensive side eye.
Good day everyone, we are the group from White Chicks, SBID2N, and we are here at the San Agustin Church, which is located in the Intramuros and the city of Manila. And did you know that San Agustin is one of the 4 Baroque churches here in the Philippines, and it is inscribed in 1992 on the World Heritage list. And meron tayo dito bell and the entrance, and the museum is located actually there. So, pwede natin yun. So, located doon yung museum, and later on, papasukin natin yung museum na yun, and we will see kung ano yung mga historical sites, insights na pwede natin nakuha. Tara, mga ako. Father Diego de Herrera. Explore ko muna ito. Rotang yan pala. God is love. Ayan, Santo Niño. Santo Niño ng Cebu.
Mas naman.
So, dito kami ngayon sa labas. Meron tayong mga different statues and kagamitan dito sila ng kung napapansin nyo, medyo low yung voices ko, and that is for respecting sa tao na sa paligid na. It's a mismo church. Makikita nyo over here, mismo church siya. And gusto siya ngayon kasi mag-open niya mamaya sa lubong daw based sa sinabi ng staff kanina. Inside of the San Agustin Church. Dito rin yung 18th century Baroque altar na makikita nyo. Yun yung altar. Unang pa naman, when you are crucified, or in there in time with Jesus, pag pinrucified ka, sabihin that you are cursed. And when Jesus died on the cross, yung curse na yun, siya niya umako. So, yun yung umako na cross itself. Also in remembering the resurrection day tomorrow. Bye.
Snapping turtle ba yan?
And that is it para sa ating tour around here sa San Agustin Church. Medyo malaki siya, medyo malawak, and there are a lot of things na dapat natin malaman, some facts na kailangan natin tandaan. And yeah, so we'll be moving on sa ating mga next tour spots here in Intramuros, such as the Fort Santiago and other more churches, and maybe we'll explore some of the foods that are here in this place. So tara, samahan namin.
Video lang.
Sir, baybayin nyo lang yung kilid ng Taguig City. Santiago.
So ngayon po, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Alacan del Gobernador, and on my right, nakikita nyo dito, pakizoom po natin. Nandiyan naman po yung Manila Cathedral, and mamaya kung midnight, Sunday ng midnight, magbubukas pa yung churches natin. So right now, they are preparing, siyempre para sa paparating na Sunday or the resurrection. And kung makikita nyo banda doon, may mga kalesa po tayo dyan. So yeah, pwede po natin sakyan yung mga yan. So only 800 ata kung student ka, and 1,000 kung ikaw ay isang simple mamamayan. Patay pa tayo lahat, even foreigners or even Pinoy, same price, so wala tayo. And right now we're going to the Fort Santiago. So it is a 4-minute walk from here. And kailangan na natin pumunta kasi we are running out of time. So, samahan nyo. May River Maya. Ayun, nasa loob naman tayo ng Fort Santiago. So we are now at the Plaza de Armas. Here is located yung mga ammunitions natin. And although we have removed it, due to high tide, and because when high tide, yung monsoon natin is nahabot yung dungeon natin sa baba. Yeah. But maybe later on we explore natin siya. And yun, like I said, inaabot siya ng tubig. So we have to evacuate our ammunition. But mostly this is where the ammunition was stored before, or were stored before. So tara, explore natin siya. Recording. Parang yung sila torture. So makita nyo. And like I said kanina, patuloy na story mo kami kung kaya natin siya nilipat is because of this. Yeah. So inaabot there in the high tide of the monsoon. Inaabot talaga yung as you can see, additional ako guys kasi grabe yung init. Hindi nyo alam. Tapos keep index natin dito in the Philippines again. Kaya ayan, naka-jacket ako. And lastly, we are here sa Bamboo Garden kung saan magre-relax na tayo. And after we mag-relax in 5 minutes, we'll head out. And with all that being said, ito yung mga price estimation natin kung magkano yung ginastos natin. And ito naman yung mga what to bring and not to bring sa ating mga pinupuntahan. And with all of that, Intramuros is really a big place for us to explore. There are many churches actually, but yung in-explore na natin is yung two, which is San Agustin, and yung museum doon, and lastly yung Manila Cathedral. So that being said, maraming salamat sa panonood, and until next time, see you. And we are the group White Chicks from SBID 2N. Peace!